Hello and welcome to VEMME Verticals channel. Here I'm Santosh from VEMME Verticals Private Limited, and I got some tips and tricks for you for your upcoming problems. The first thing I would like to talk about is Windows 11. Nowadays there is a new Windows 11 operating system which has come up, and the Windows 10 is getting upgraded to Windows 11. But users are facing problem of Windows 11 like getting freeze and all. So for that, the solution is because the Windows is getting upgraded from Windows 10 to Windows 11, the drivers sometimes doesn't get upgraded. So the drivers of Windows 10 remain in the Windows 11 operating system. So that is the reason why the freezing of the screen and all happens. So for that, you have to upgrade those drivers. See to it that you upgrade all those drivers which are there. That will definitely sort out your problem. This is the first step which will help you to use Windows 11 smoothly. The second issue is about sharing of printers. Nowadays in office and in factories, you find that there are sharing printers. Like there are 10 PCs using one printer, which is sharing, and the printout doesn't come. The reason is because the print sharing is stopped or it's not there. The printer is not there on the sharing. That is because of the Windows you have to Windows updation is there. That is the reason why. So for that we have a solution where you can go in for a network printer which will help you to come out of this problem. Where you can have a network printer and from the IP you share it, so the printing can be done smooth. But if you don't want to upgrade to a network printer, you can still do it by using the old PC and by sharing that. For that, if you require any help, you can definitely contact us, Web Verticals, where we will definitely resolve the issue for you. So please. Then the third point here I wanted to tell you about was from Gmail. Nowadays, after a few days, there is going to be Gmail is going to stop free email IDs used. So the mails which are mailboxes which are there are going to be chargeable. So if you are not willing to pay to Gmail or Google for the email IDs, then at but still you want to have the data which is there on that to be taken back up on your disk, you can definitely do that. So for that, please download those mails. There are different ways you can do it. If you like, you can configure Outlook and you can definitely download that. But and if then you can definitely have the data on your PC. So this is the way you can resolve it, or you have to pay for the price for the 1 year subscription, and then you can use. So these are the three things which I wanted to update you with. So I'll definitely come up again with some new updates and tricks and tips for you, which will help you to run your PCs, laptops, and printers smoothly. So keep watching Random Verticals channel. Thank you very much.